For a lot of the students out there, we normally watch movies in bed with our laptops somewhere at the side, because a TV takes up too much space and costs too much money, and the same rules apply for a projector as well. Or do they? First off, let me clarify that I bought this projector around 2 years ago in a mall in Shenzhen for about 500 yen. That's about £60. I know what you're thinking. Will it work? How long will it work for? Is the quality absolutely terrible? And the results are quite surprising. Let's start off with the unboxing. So, as we open it up, we're greeted with a rather thick user guide. And it's actually in English. Next up, you've got quite a handy remote, the power cable, and the projector itself. Taking a closer look at the ports available, we've got HDMI and VGA inputs as standard, but it also supports USB, so you can plug your phone in and start watching straight away, no need to buy another cable. Display performance is pretty good. With some level of darkness in the room, you can get quite bright, colourful views. Whilst this isn't Full HD by any means, the resolution isn't terrible either. Most details are preserved, and provided you're streaming Full HD content on your phone, the resolution drop won't hinder the experience. But none of that matters when you're watching movies on your ceiling. For those days when sitting up is too much effort and you're in no mood for physical movement, this is your saviour, the ultimate lazy machine. In terms of audio, you'll definitely need headphones or a Bluetooth speaker, because on top of that, the aux output doesn't work, but that again is solved with a Bluetooth speaker. Also, for some reason through the USB connection, Netflix just doesn't seem to work, so I'd recommend getting a HDMI cable. I've put a link to one in the description below. On the whole, I'd say it's a great piece of kit. It gives you a breathtaking experience for a fraction of the price. I'd recommend it to anyone who, well actually just anyone. Even if you don't watch that many movies, it makes you enjoy the ones you do so much more. Plus, it's a foolproof present if you're stuck for ideas, since it can be enjoyed by absolutely anyone. I hope you liked the video. What do you think of this projector? If you like budget tech videos like these, give it a like, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.